Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, I apologize to you right off the bat. I am really not at my absolute best today. I am having some challenges with my back, but I really wanted to make sure that you got this information on today. What information? Well, we are unboxing our August Tribe Beauty box. And for those of you who are not familiar with Tribe, go ahead and check down below. I've left all of the information about Tribe Beauty box as well as their web address down below. So if you'd like to try it out, that information will be there, as well as some money off of your first box, okay? So when we open up the box, the first thing we have is the description card, okay? And this lets us know exactly what's inside the box and a little bit about each product, as well as the manufacturer suggested retail price. So let's just jump right in and see what's here. So the very first item that's on the top, the very first item that we have is W&E dry brush. And this says, this dry brush is made with natural beech wood, combining rubber nodules and natural bristles to help stimulate the lymphatic system. It encourages the removal of toxins while exfoliating and smoothing your skin. And it says it's safe for weekly use. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $52. This is very nice. So, of course, it's made of wood, nice thick wood, okay? And, all right, I suggest before you use it, you kind of brush it off and get all those loose bristles off. But it also has a strap so that you can have a little bit of extra control when you're using it, okay? These nodules are they're kind of strong here, so, but I guess they kind of do what they need to do on the skin. So I do like this. It says, make yourself a priority. See that? All right, so this is item number 1. Then the next item that we have is by Julep Beauty, and this is the Hint of Pink Transforming Lip Oil. This moisturizing lip oil reacts to your unique pH, wrapping your pout in the perfect shade of sheer pink. Swipe the super soft applicator across your lips and go. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $22, okay? Let's just check it out. Now, according to the packaging, it says this is a 0.18 ounce size. And it asks the question, what is a transforming oil? And it says, what does it do? It creates a custom color. Oh, this is very interesting. All right, and it's made with argan oil that delivers a non-sticky shine, jojoba seed oil that provides major moisture, and its pH adjusting tint brightens the lip tone. Naturally effective All right, it is paraben free, vegan, it's a clean beauty product, cruelty free, and SLS free. I'm gonna have to check that out and see what that means. All right, I believe this says it has a 12-month shelf life. I'll double check that, and if it's anything different, I will leave it across the bottom. Okay, I do want to swatch this, but let's see what happens if I swatch it on my hand versus on my lip. Yeah, see, it just came out clear. Why? Because it's supposed to be based on your pH and your lips, so your actual lip color. So this is just clear on my hand. All right, so but when we do our create first impressions and review, we'll see how that works in action. Okay, then the next item that we have is by the company Makeup Drop. And this is a body applicator. And it says skincare shouldn't just include your face. Treat your entire body to clean, hand-free approach to applying sunless tanners, lotions, masks, and more. This larger version of the original Makeup Drop helps you blend product in seamlessly with a soft silicone touch. I find this to be extremely interesting. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. Okay, so when we open it up, nice, okay. It actually has a place to put your fingers in. You apply whatever your moisturizer or serum or whatever it may be. All right, so let's just check it out. And it says here that it is non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free. The directions say apply a small amount of product on your drop, lightly dab, draw, or outline onto face. This just said we're using this for the body. It says blend gently into skin, use the tip to draw sharper lines and to reach the... This says it's for your body because it's larger, but all the instructions on here are for using it on your face. Now this is very interesting. It says if it's punctured, do not use it. And to clean it, it says simply clean the drop with warm water and soap or antibacterial wipes. Have all of the above. Okay, fantastic. All right, so the next item that we have is by Mirabella Beauty. And this is the waterproof eyeshadow primer. This eyeshadow primer by Mirabella features an innovative creamy formula that is easy to apply but made to adhere to lids to create a perfect canvas to hold your shadow in place all day. Sheer translucent base sustains the vibrancy of eyeshadow shades around the clock, all day and into the night. Available in one neutral shade that is suitable for even the most sensitive eyes. And the manufacturer's retail price is $20. I'm going to go online and get some information about this product, such as the size and the expiration date, and I will list it across the bottom. Then the last item, or at least I believe it is, yes, the last item that we have, I've been anxious to see this because they posted it on their social media as their sneak peek. So I wanted to see what it was really all about in person. And this is by Bella Cosmetics. And this is Life in Pastel palette. It says dive into this palette and create magic with these stunning pastel shades. We bet you don't own a color story like this on your vanity. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is only $12. Okay, and here's what the inside of the palette looks like. Now this says it has a 24-month shelf life. It is cruelty-free. Okay. All right, this is very interesting. Now let's just take a look at these shades. Beautiful. So this one has a full mirror, and we're gonna cover the mirror so it doesn't destroy your eyesight, okay? And this is what the shades look like. Very, very nice, very nice. Okay, I can picture some looks here. I can picture some. So let's just watch a couple. This is what these shades look like. And hear those shades one more time. Okay. Alrighty. Pretty interesting. But I definitely did like everything that I saw. I like everything that I saw. So now I will tell you this. The Mirabella eyeshadow primer, I have used this product in the past. I think maybe it came back around again because it was really not that memorable to me. Okay, I don't know why, but maybe it's time that I tried it again and see if it was something that I really did like, or I just don't remember. I just don't remember. So, but I'm looking forward to trying this one out as well. Okay, now I am very intrigued by one particular product in this box, and that is, can you guess? This one right here. I am very intrigued by this. This touch of, this hint of pink. I really want to see how this works. So I am excited about that. So I'm looking forward to this month's Create First Impressions and Review, so that we can check out these products. All right, so these are the products that came in this month's box. Down below will be the manufacturer suggested retail price for the total box. Okay, so you'll see the total box value down below. Now, I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we did this unboxing. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,